Hi, this is Us. You watching Mr. Us channel on YouTube. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change the background of your web page in HTML. So it is quite simple. First of all, this is our HTML tag, and this is our HTML ending tag, and next this is our opening body tag, and this is our ending body tag. So inside the body, because we want our background in different colors. For example, we want a color red. Okay, you have to write all this style in the body because you want body into different styles, into different color. So our body color will be in the body tag. This is our starting style is equal to background color and then red, and this is inside. You can see here, this is we are starting our body and we are not ending our body tag here because we are ending here. You can see you will write the style inside the first tag of the body. Okay, for example, style is equal to background color red. Okay, space, this is okay. If not okay, we're gonna make it to the same position. So now copy this all. Next we have our heading. Wow, our paragraph we changed. Okay, you know all these things, how to write a paragraph and heading. Now copy this all text. I am now notepad, paste it here, save it. For example, I am saving OOOO.html. So now open it. Here you can see the red color background. This is our wow, this is our heading, and we change, this is our paragraph. So you can see now we will change also different color. I am changing one more color. We are going for our notepad. We are changing color to yellow. Save it. So you can see here changing color to pink. So guys, gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.